Welcome to a new chapter, ultrasound. So today we are going to learn something about ultrasound. And if I talk about ultrasound, what we are going to use in the physiotherapy department is going to be a therapeutically ultrasound. Otherwise, the other ultrasound which is also been commonly seen into the hospital setups are the diagnostic ultrasound, which is much more into higher frequency what we are using. Most probably approx 15 to 20 megahertz was the diagnostic ultrasound is there, or most commonly the ultrasound what we use in the physiotherapy settings are 1 megahertz and 3 megahertz, which is very minimal being used into the therapeutic area. So now coming into the ultrasound, as you can see that there are two pictures. One ultrasound on the left side is with two heads, while on the right side picture it's with single head. Nowadays there are different kinds of ultrasound, different sensitive devices are coming up with LED displays with two heads, one specifically coming up with 1 megahertz, and the another one is coming up with 3 megahertz, showing different depth of penetration into the tissues. So talking about the ultrasound today, it's a high frequency device, and it's producing mechanical vibrations, and as I said, since it's producing mechanical vibrations, it's not going to make you feel anything like a sensory indications or something into it. So it's basically available into two modes, 1 megahertz and 3 megahertz. So today we will talk about the parts of the ultrasound. So as you can see, it's been written ultrasound 1 megahertz, so it's, you can see only one head. On the left side there are modes, pulse mode, continuous mode, then coming to the right side, power, and then which is connected to a coaxial cable with the ultrasound head, or also called as probe. So this coaxial cable connects. If we switch on the machine, from the back side there is a fuse also to check whether the currents are proper or not. And back side you can have the main AC switch to connect it for the machine. So once you switch on the device, you will see the default timer coming up, that is 15 minutes, and it's in continuous mode now. So you can change the mode according to the need what you want to give, and already the coupling media, the gel has already been given into it. So we will try to show you how we test therapeutic ultrasound. So we put a little bit of water into the ultrasound head, or also sometimes called as probe, on top of that. So we put water into it on the head, surrounded by the gel, and now we increase the intensity. As you can see, the LEDs are coming up, the lights are coming up, and as we increase the intensity, you can see the water rippling effects are coming up. As you can see, the rippling effects are seen into the ultrasonic head, so which is showing that the ultrasounds are coming up. So now we reduce down that the intensity, and again we are showing you the rippling effect again on top of the head of the ultrasound. So this is the way we test ultrasound. So now we have reduced the intensity, switch off the main power, and switch on the main AC. So that's how we